In an economy once tethered to cash, PayTM emerged as the David that toppled Goliath, reinventing India's financial landscape. This article by Maria Irene delves into the meteoric rise of PayTM as it weaved financial inclusivity into the very fabric of India and navigated the currents of a rapidly digitizing economy. In the vibrant bazaars of Mumbai, where the clattering sounds of countless transactions reverberate, and in the tranquil byways of Rajasthan's countryside, the chant of PayTM rings in unison. This digital payments leviathan has not just delicately woven itself into India's financial tapestry but has also metamorphosed it by challenging conventional norms and initiating an era characterized by financial inclusivity and digital agility. PayTM, an ingenious abbreviation for Pay Through Mobile, was the brainchild of Vijay Shekhar Sharma and took flight in 2010. Sharma, a visionary, recognized the impediments to India's financial progression due to economic and geographical barriers and sought to obliterate them through a humble yet potent weapon, a smartphone app. Initially, PayTM made its foray as a platform catering to mobile and DTH recharges. However, in the subsequent years, its scope expanded exponentially to encompass a plethora of services including utility bill payments, movie tickets, gold investments, and flight bookings. The watershed moment arrived in 2013 with the unveiling of the PayTM wallet, which heralded a seismic shift in the Indian psyche regarding monetary transactions. Historically, India, home to an astounding 1.3 billion individuals, has been predominantly reliant on cash transactions. The advent of the PayTM wallet serendipitously coincided with India's surging smartphone penetration and the government's rigorous drive towards demonetization in 2016, which provided impetus to PayTM's exponential growth, catapulting it to a household name. What distinguishes PayTM is its emphasis on inclusivity. By empowering transactions through a rudimentary QR code, PayTM transcended barriers to entry prevalent in traditional banking systems. Suddenly, the street-side vendor, the auto rickshaw operator, the pastoral agriculturist, all found themselves in the midst of an inclusive digital economy. PayTM dissolved the digital schism, allowing democratized access to financial services that India had never witnessed. However, the tapestry of digital finance would be incomplete without the intricate thread of cryptocurrencies. While PayTM has been a tour de force in digitizing payments, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have redefined the very essence of currency. Cryptocurrencies are predicated on blockchain technology, which guarantees security, anonymity, and decentralization. Contrarily, PayTM, despite digitizing transactions, remains centralized and is subject to regulatory supervision. Nevertheless, it's imperative to recognize the contrasting requirements catered to by PayTM and cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are global, volatile, and typically associated with investments, while PayTM thrives on convenience, accessibility, and routine transactions. In the Indian context, where digital literacy is burgeoning, PayTM's unassuming and intuitive interface is more congenial compared to the labyrinthine domain of cryptocurrencies. Additionally, PayTM's provision of financial services within a regulatory ambit is invaluable in a nation governed by stringent financial mandates. As of 2023, PayTM continues its trailblazing trajectory. Data indicates revenue from operations skyrocketing 61% year to 7,990 crore rupees in FY23. Loan disbursements have swelled to an eye-popping 163% year, totaling 35,378 crore rupees, an astonishing escalation of 357% year. Furthermore, average monthly transacting users, MTU, for Q4 FY23 have surged by 27% year to 9 SAR, with the gross merchandise value, GMV, ascending 40% year at 3 rupees and 62 paise lakh SAR in Q4 FY2023. The firm's cash reserves stand at a robust 8,275 crore rupees as of March 2023. PayTM's odyssey is emblematic of India's digital renaissance. It is a testament to the potency of innovation in bridging chasms, shattering barriers, and nurturing inclusivity. As the global audience is captivated by the ascendancy of cryptocurrencies and the allure of a decentralized financial horizon, it is imperative not to overlook the transformative prowess of digital payment platforms like PayTM. They may not possess the decentralization or the international breadth of cryptocurrencies, but they proffer something arguably more vital: a launchpad for countless individuals to enter the digital financial ecosystem. Significantly, PayTM has spurred on an ecosystem of competing and complementary financial services. For instance, as of 2023, competitors like PhonePe and Google Pay collectively processed over 3 billion UPI transactions in India in the month of March alone. The entire market is expected to exceed $1 trillion by 2026, according to a report by Credit Suisse. Moreover, PayTM has strategically maneuvered its way into the financial services sector through PayTM Money, which offers mutual funds and stock trading. It is steadily carving out a space for itself among traditional giants like HDFC and Kotak Securities. As India is projected to become a $5 trillion economy by 2030, according to the World Bank, digital payment platforms like PayTM will undeniably play an essential role in achieving this milestone. Their contributions extend beyond transactions to also include enhancing financial literacy, promoting entrepreneurship, and creating formal financial identities. But, as PayTM surges ahead, it must also navigate the treacherous waters of cybersecurity. In a nation where cybersecurity infrastructure is evolving, the responsibility on PayTM's shoulders is gargantuan. The platform must continuously innovate to safeguard the trust of millions of users against the rising tide of cyber threats. In conclusion, PayTM represents more than just a digital payments platform. It is a symbol of the democratization of finance. Its trajectory has been akin to the fabled phoenix, emerging from the ashes of India's cash-reliant past to a harbinger of a digital future. Whether it is PayTM or Bitcoin, the endgame remains unwavering: to democratize finance, to render it more accessible, and to ensure that not a single soul, irrespective of their geographic or economic standing, is sidelined in the procession towards a digital financial tomorrow. Thus, a toast to PayTM, the unassuming maverick that stormed the citadels of traditional finance, and a homage to the relentless spirit of innovation that has the capacity not only to transfigure economies but also to invigorate lives.